Hi Cancer, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 27th of September. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what this particular week has in store for you. The first card that I see here is Three of Wands, Tower card, and the Strength card. Person B here has the Hermit card, the World card, and Four of Swords. Bottom of the deck, I have the Justice card, which means that for some of you, if you are involved in a legal case, okay, the verdict will come out in your favor. But for most of you, if there is a situation or something that happened where there was some kind of injustice, then you will get justice in this situation now. What I'm seeing from the first set of cards is you have Three of Wands, which means you're currently stuck in a situation, you're not able to move, you're waiting for your ships to come in, and that's when you can go ahead and take some action. Your next card is the Tower card, which is a very unexpected energy which is going to hit you very soon. This is an energy which hits when something which is not built on a stable ground, which means that something unexpected is going to happen in this relationship suddenly. This is one way where whatever was not built in the correct way, okay, that needs to be rebuilt. That is Mother Nature, or you can call the supreme power. That's their way of telling that you need to start all over again. Okay, so you need to be mentally prepared because something unexpected is going to happen. The next card that I see for you is the Strength card, which is Leo energy, which means that once this Tower energy hits, you need to be a lot more patient. You need to be very brave, and you will have to put in a lot of strength and courage to deal with this situation as well. Now, person B here has the Hermit card, which is Virgo energy. With this, they could be dealing with a Virgo, or they are in that energy where they are self-reflecting about something. It could be this relationship, it could be something about their personal or professional life, but something where they are reflecting and thinking a lot about this situation. The next card for them is the World card, which means that they need to end an old chapter in order to begin a new chapter. It could be with you, or it could be with a different person also. With the Four of Swords, this person has withdrawn, okay. When I say withdrawn, this person has taken this temporary break because they have withdrawn and they're trying to literally think how to go about with this particular situation. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person. So the first card that I see is Ace of Cups, King of Swords, and the High Priestess. Now with the Ace of Cups, it means that this person wants to offer a cup of love to you, okay, because they have emotions for you. However, with King of Swords and the High Priestess, it means that there is some kind of a secret, okay, because the High Priestess is the keeper of secrets. So if there is some kind of a secret that either you are, not telling the other person, or this person is holding from you, there is a very strong requirement that both of you go ahead and talk to each other. And if there's anything that needs to be spoken about, make sure that you both have a very honest conversation with each other. Now let's also go ahead and see what is the message from the Monology Oracle cards. So the message that I see here is, don't let your past hold you back. So if there was something that happened in the past and because of which you are not putting in the right effort, or you are a little scared to put in effort right now, then don't do it, because don't let that past experience hold you back. We'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can also help you in this particular situation. So the crystal that I see for you is clear quartz. The crystal message is, what is it that you don't understand? Are you missing the point? It is time to gain clarity and have a clearer picture of what is truly going on within and around you. Decide that you want to see the bigger picture, get focused and stay focused. Meditation and contemplation will help you see the greater perspective from varying points of view. Now with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Michael, which I will go ahead and put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of these videos, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. It keeps me motivated to go ahead and create videos for all of you every week. And with this, like I always say, stay safe, love yourself first.